Hai, good evening guys. So saya Chidi. Today saya nak bawa anda tengok satu tour kondo di The Pearl, Jalan Stona, dekat je dengan KLCC. So best di kondo ni, dia ada private lift. Keluar lift, ini macam laman kita sendiri lah. Lepas tu terus masuk ke rumah pintu sana. Jom kita masuk ke rumah. Right, let's go. Pintu dia tengok, besar pintu dia. Okay, so ini living hall. Sangat luas. Sini sampai sana tu, ini semua living hall dia. Lepas tu rumah ni dia ada smart home system. Ni semua ada music boleh control Ada music boleh control kat sini. Aircon semua dia centralized kat dalam, nampak tu, dekat atas ceiling tu. Sangat eksklusif. So ini dia punya living hall dekat sini. So owner nak jual complete, semua fully furnished. For those who are from overseas who want to take a look on my house tour video for the Pearl condo resident at KLCC, you can watch this video. Okay, so the only problem with this condo, masalah utama dia, ini je slab dia. Sebab dia berada di level 9. This condo is located in level 9. So it's blocking by the parking. So kena block by parking dah. Tak best sikit lah. Tapi balcony dia besar. Balcony is huge. But I think it's better also because you will not see any other people watching you. Level 9. So ni the other condo. So we got blocked by, I don't know which floor. It's quite high. So only the car coming around. Apa benda aku merepek ni kan. Cuba nak cakap English. Nak target Mak Saleh beli. Nak target Mak Saleh, foreigner, Cina kan. Okay, so dekat sini ada tempat lepak, tempat santai, tempat luah perasaan husband and wife ke, heart to heart ke. Okay, so and then sini dining area. So this is the dining area. So sangat luas kan. Okay, so sekarang kita tengok dekat bahagian dry kitchen. Ini dry kitchen. Okay, ada island, ada kitchen cabinet. Okay, kita pergi ke wet kitchen. This is wet kitchen. Tengok wet kitchen dia. Okay, and then sana tu adalah second exit, second entrance untuk keluar pintu. Saya cuba buka ini keluar ke second exit lah. Dia macam jalan belakang lah, belakang rumah. Okay, so kat sini kita ada toilet. Dan kat sini kita ada maid's room, bilik pembantu rumah. Okay, bilik pembantu rumah ataupun store. Okay, so semua ni lengkap lah, fully furnished. Semua perabot ni dia bagi, fridge, semua ni dapat. Okay, so kat sini adalah ruang untuk bilik. Dia ada 3 bilik kat sini. Okay, kita masuk bilik yang ni dulu. Ini bilik master. Okay, so tengok, look at this, so huge, sangat besar bilik dia. Saya ada 2 lagi katil, super queen, super single. Okay, ini bilik air master. Nampak? Luas. So ada 2 sinki. Ada ada 2 toilet. Ini untuk kencing, ini untuk gerak. Lain tau. So ada bathtub. Bathtub dekat sana, ada shower lah. Okay, so all the flooring is solid wood. Semua kayu. Tengok, sangat besar dia punya bilik master. So bilik master pun sama, view dia ke parking. So kena block lah. Normally when the people buying KL area, they want to look for city view, but this one got blocked already. I think most of the condo will be blocked anyway. Even you buy now it's open, then suddenly you will block by somewhere. Some building. Berbelit-belit cakap English ni. Hopefully you guys understand Okay, this is the second bedroom. This room okay sikit. A bit okay because it's a facing to the pool. So inside here we got another extra If we can convert to balcony, it's very good, but cannot do that. It's not in our area. Okay, so this one is a bathroom. And we go to the next room, is the third room. Okay, this is the third room. Okay, you see. And then here is the bathroom. Right? Okay. So the price want to sell is 2 million ringgit Malaysia. It's a freehold located at Jalan Stona, just walking distance to KLCC. So it's located at level 9. So those who interested to buy this property, just contact me, and then we can set appointment to view actual unit. Alright, bye.